Today, we're diving into the features of the Nice Sea Camping Kitchen Table, a versatile folding table that's perfect for all your outdoor adventures. This all-in-one kitchen station comes equipped with an upgrade light stand and an aluminum windshield, ensuring you can cook comfortably without worrying about wind or lighting conditions. With 3 detachable organizers and 5 separate storage rooms, you can easily store all your food and personal items, while the 3 upgraded hooks provide a handy spot for your pans or bags. The table's foldable design and compact carrying handle make it a breeze to transport, with a folding size of just 31 by 22.5 by 4.7 inches, making it a true space saver. Constructed from waterproof material, this table is not only durable but also easy to clean, making it ideal for trips to the beach, camping, or even a backyard barbecue. Whether you're cooking indoors or outdoors, the Nice Sea Camping Kitchen Table is your go-to solution for a convenient and organized cooking experience. So, get ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game with this fantastic kitchen station. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.